46 women from Naithaasiri have proven they are capable of running a business despite the daily struggles of living in rural Fiji. The Naithaasiri Women in Dairy was established in 2016, has grown year on year, and those behind it have successfully implemented new projects. Their latest venture is farming mushrooms, which has proven quite profitable. Apinisa Wangaruntovu with tonight's success story.
The Naithaasiri Women in Dairy got their big break after receiving funding from the Fiji Women's Fund, achieving one milestone after another.
The Fiji Women's Fund supported us in setting up the farm, and initially, before we started, we were sent to Lenga Nandi, where we took part in training for mushroom farming. We received our certificates from the training, and soon as we returned, we asked our secretary if we can try it out, and here we are.
From milk to mushrooms, these women's passion for their business is flourishing with support from their husbands.
We started off with dairy, but we have diversified to mushroom, and our aim is to assist women who are struggling. We want to ensure our children are sent to school and get the best education, and that is what keeps us going. We used to run the dairy business, but when we started mushroom farming, our husbands said they can handle dairy, so we can just focus on the mushroom farms.
More women have joined the business over 4 years, and they are all helping one another.
There's 46 of us, and the numbers keep growing. We are now focusing on mushroom farming because it's easy money. These women are from 6 villages in the province, and we meet every Monday and work on our farms. All the women are committed to the business because we have seen the benefit of it, and it has helped us a lot.
Takayawa says working in the sun may be tough, but the results are quite rewarding.
We purchase the spawn from Lenga, and for marketing we use Facebook. Customers just place orders and we deliver to them. Roughly, if we plant 500 substracts, we will earn 3,000 from it.
While profits are shared, savings have always been prioritized.
When the money comes, we have to put aside 10% for the group saving. The remaining is then distributed to the members. They will decide what they use it on, but it's usually spent on family.
Takayawa says their main motivation has always been unity and care for one another.
We have our ups and downs, but we always stress to the members to talk about it. This way it helps us commit and continue working together. So I believe this has been a driving force for our business.
Takayawa and her colleagues were at the Gold FM Rock Market yesterday and sold over 40 packs of mushrooms at $10 a pack. This was their first time, but certainly won't be the last. Apinisa Wangaruntovu, FBC News.